third lesson. Last class we have completed subtraction lesson, correct? Yes? Yes. Now we can go through the next important lesson, that is multiplication. Lesson number 4, multiplication. Multiplication. Before going to this chapter, already I have informed you before, you have to write tables daily. No? You have to write tables daily. Are you all writing tables daily? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. If you are not writing, you have to start today itself. Very important. To understand this chapter, everyone must know tables from 2 to 15. It's compulsory. Everyone must know the tables. Okay? So, you have to start writing tables in your rough book daily. Every day you have to write tables. Otherwise, you will forget it. Okay? So, start writing tables daily. So, before starting this chapter, what you have to do? In your class work, every day you are writing in rough book, right? So, after that, now in your class work also you have to write tables, because this is which chapter? Multiplication chapter. No? Chapter is about multiplication. So, you must know tables properly. So, what you do? In your class work, in fresh page, after third chapter, you take one fresh page and write there lesson number 4, multiplication. Lesson number 4, multiplication. You have to write, start writing the tables. In your classwork, you have to write, start from 0, because you must know 0 you multiply with any number. What you will get? You multiply 0 with any number, what you will get? That is 0 only. Okay? So, in your classwork, you have to write tables first. Again, I will give in evening class also, notes I will give. But if you want to write before only, you can write and keep. Okay? So, you have to start from 0 to till 15. You have to write 0 to 15. Start from 0 like this. See? Table of 0 is 0 1s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 4s are 0. Like this. Neatly you have to write. Here 1 1s are 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. In this way. Here 0 1. Next table of 2 3 4 like this. Yes, you know other tables now. So in this way you have to write starting from 0 to till 15. Everyone must write. Before starting this chapter, you have to write tables first. Okay? You have to write in your class tables. Everyone must write in classwork first. Okay? Now next one. We can go through, we can understand what is multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication means what? It is repeated addition. So, multiplication is repeated addition. How it will be repeated addition? How we can say that multiplication is repeated addition? By going through some of the examples. I'll explain with some of the examples. With that you can understand that multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay? So, here see example of this. Here 3 stars are given. 3 sets of stars here. Again 3 stars. Again here 3 stars. Here again 3 stars. Correct? So this is 3 stars, 3 star, 3 and 3. Correct? So if you add this, these 3 stars, see here now 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Correct? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times it is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? 4 times times it is given, no? So this will be 12 now. This will be 12. This is addition method. This is which method? Addition method. This is addition method. So multiplication is a repeated addition. Again, repeatedly we have added here same number 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Correct? So this will be for 12. Now next, how we can write it in a multiplication method? So 3, how many times 3 we have written here? Here how many times we have written? 4 times, correct? 4 times we have written here 3. So that will be 3 fours are. 3 fours are how much? Is 12. If you know the tables properly, easily you can write it here. So 3 fours are 12. See, let me see. We add like this big number, we can't add here like this repeatedly we cannot add, no? So we are using multiplication method. This is multiplication. This is multiplication. So with this, you can understand that multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is what? Repeated addition. One more example we can take here. Second example. Here, 2 stickers. Here 2. Here 2. So, now we have to add this according to the addition method. Addition method 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Correct? How many times 2 is given? 2 plus are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 times is given now. Here 6 times. So this will be how much? 12. Correct? This is 12. So how we can write this? How many times 6 is how many times 2 is given? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? So that is 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 6 times 2 is given. Correct? 2 6 are 12. With this you can understand that multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Correct? Now next. For multiplication, what symbol we are using? You know that for addition, which symbol we will use? You know it properly now. For addition, we are using this symbol, right? This is addition symbol. For subtraction, we are using minus symbol, correct? For multiplication, we are using this symbol, multiplication, correct? This is multiplication symbol, okay? Multiplication symbol. Now next, see here one example is given of ice cream. You eat ice creams, no? Yes, you like ice cream. Everyone like ice cream? Yes. So here say how many ice creams are given? 4 ice creams are given. Again, one more set of 4 ice creams are given. Again, here 4 ice creams are given. Four ice creams are given here. So here 4, 4 and 4, correct? 4 plus 4 plus 4. According to the addition method, 4 plus 4 plus 4. So this will be how much? 12. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Here 3 groups of 4 is there. How many groups of 4? 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 4. 3 groups of 1, 2, 3 groups are there. Correct? 3 groups of 4. Or we can write what? 3 times 4. 3 3 times 4 is written. Or 3 times 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4. We can write this as 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is how much? It is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Correct? So, with this you can understand that what is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Say here, choose the correct answer. In your page number 113. Page number 113. Choose the correct answer is given. Choose the correct answer is given. So, you have to tick the correct answer here. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times 3 is given there? How many times 3 is given? 4 times 3. Correct? 4 times 3 is given. So, 4 into 3. Next, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 is given? How many times 2 is given? 6 times 2. Correct? 6 times 2. In this way, you find out third one and fourth one. Tick and write it in the blank there. Okay? Now next, fill in the exercise 4.1. We can go through exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Fill in the box. See here, fill in the box is given 5 plus 5 plus 5. First question, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Correct? So here, box into 5 is equal to box here. How many times 5 is given? How many times 5 is added here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? 4 times 5 is added here. 4 times 5. Correct? 4 5s are 20. Correct now? 4 5s are 20. If you know tables properly, easily you can write it. So I am telling you every day you have to write tables. Okay? Now next. Third question. I will take third question now. 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. So, 3 times. 3 times what is given here? Which number is given 3 times here? 1, 2, 3 times is given. Which number is given here 3 times? Which number is given? 7. Correct? 7 is given. So, 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. Now next we can go through the fifth question. I will take fifth question on this. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Correct? So here 6 into is equal to dash. 6 into dash. How much? 6 times which number is given here? 6 times it is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number is given 6 times? That is 10. Correct? 10 is given 6 times. So, here you write 10. 6 times are 60 is the answer. Now next, last question, 7th one. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Correct? So, here dash into 3 is equal to box. So, how many times 3 is given? 3 is given here already. No? Here, how many times 3 is given? That we have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times 3 is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3 is given. So, 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Correct? So, in this way, you have to complete this exercise 4.1. I have done here 4 problems. No? 4 problems I have done here. So, remaining problems you have to complete in your textbook. All of you must complete in your textbook remaining problems of exercise 4.1. Okay? Yes, is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Now we can go through the next one, that is multiplication on number line. See, before this we have completed that multiplication is a repeated addition. Now we can understand this multiplication by using a number line. Okay, by using a number line we can understand the multiplication. So multiplication on number line. What is number line? So number line, the numbers are represented by using a line. What is number line? The numbers are represented by using a line. That is called a number line. See here, in one line we can represent some numbers here. How many numbers we want that many numbers we can write here. It can be extended also. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, like this. We can write out numbers. So number line means what? Numbers are represented by using a line. By using a line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have written number till 15. If you want 20, 20 you can write. If you want 30, you can write 30 also, not a problem. Okay? But always you have to start from 0. You have to start from 0. Now, we can represent multiplication on number line. Okay? So, one example here, it is given, say, 4 twos are dash. Your question is 4 twos are is equal to dash. How we can represent this on a number line? Here see, this means 4 times 2. 4 times 2 means here we have to take 4 jumps. How many steps? 4 jumps we have to take. How many steps? 2 steps. We have to use 2 steps here. But 4 jumps we have to take. Here 1 jump. We have to use only 2 steps. These 2 steps, correct? Now 1 jump, 2 jump. Only for 2 steps we have to jump. We cannot jump. We have to do 3 steps. Okay? Here 3 jump, 4 jump. Where we have reached now? Where we have reached now? We reached to 8. Yes? Is this correct? 4 twos are 8. It is correct now? Yes? Yes. 4 twos are 8. Now next, we can go through the next one. Next question, that is 5 threes are is equal to dash. 5 threes are is equal to dash. Here see, what we have to write? Number line. No? You have to write here number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 till 15 I have written here. 15. So here how many jumps we have to take? How many jumps? 5 jumps. How many jumps? 5 jumps. How many steps? 3 steps. 5 jumps, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 steps. 5 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump, 1, 2, 3 steps. Third jump, 1, 2, 3 steps. Fourth jump, 1, 2, 3 steps. Correct? So, where we are reaching now? 5 threes are, how much? 15. Correct? 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. Now next we can go through the next number. So that is 4 fives are. 4 fives are. I have not written here till 20. No? So we can take some other small number. 3 fours are. 3 fours is equal to dash. How many jumps? First number will represent the jump. Second number will represent the steps. Okay, you keep remember like this. That time it will be easy for you. So how many jumps we have to take? How many jumps we have to take? 3 jumps. 3 jumps we have to take. How many steps? 4 steps. Start from here. You have to take how many jumps? 3 jumps for 4 steps. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Correct? 4 steps. 1 jump. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. 2 jump. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. Third jump. Correct? So here 3 fours are where we have reached. We reached to 12. 3 fours are 12. Okay? In this way, you have to complete this. Choose the correct multiplication fact is given. No? Same. What I have explained now, same method is given here. Some of the answers are given already. They are marked there. They are marked on the number line, which is correct one that you have to tick. Okay? Yes. Open page number 115. Page number 115. Page number 115. Page number 115. See there. Choose the correct multiplication fact shown on the number line. See, your first question is given 0 to 4. How many steps they have taken? 4 steps. How many jumps? 2 jumps. How many jumps? 2 jumps. 4 steps. What is the answer then? 2 fours are correct. 2 fours are is the correct answer. Now next, second one. Second way, so 0 to 20 is given there. First 0 to 3. First jump is 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 12. 0 to 3 means how many steps? 3 steps. How many jumps they have taken? 4 jumps. 4 jumps, 3 steps. 4 jumps. Count first how many jumps? 4 jumps. How many steps? 3 steps. So 4 threes are correct. 4 threes are 12. It will reach to 12. So 4 threes are. So in this way you complete third one and fourth one. Pick the correct answer for third one and fourth one in your textbook. Okay. Now we can go through exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. First may find the answers by skip counting on the number line. Find the answers by skip counting on the number line. See here, first one A. 0 to 20 is given. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, till 15 I write. Okay. So till 15 I have written here now. 4 into 2 is equal to dash. 4 into 2 is equal to dash. What we have to do? How many jumps we have to take? First number represents the jump. How many jumps we have to take now? How many jumps we have to take? 4 jumps. For how many steps? 2 steps. We have to take 2 steps, 4 jumps. So here 2 steps. 0 to 2. Next again 2 steps. 2 jumps over. Again 2 steps. Again 2 steps. So 4 twos are how much? 8. 4 twos are 8. We reach to 8. Correct? Now next one. Next we can go through next C question now. C question. A I have done, B how to do. Now I am going to C question. of this exercise. Start from 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here it is given till 20. Now we have 5 fours are. 5 fours are dash is given. 5 fours are. So we have to start from where now? 5 fours are. So start from your zeros. Start from 0. How many jumps? How many jumps we have to take? 5 jumps. 5 jumps, 4 steps. Here 0 to 4 step. 1, 2, 3, 4 step. Again 4 to 5 jumps. Here 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 to 8. Next 8 to 12. Next 12 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. Again 16 to 20. Correct? So we have to take 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. How many steps? 4 steps. Here that should be 4 steps. Correct? So now next. Next one is next last question. Yeah, question I take now here. We have question 0 to 20. 0 to 20. So write all the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the question is 7 into 1 is equal to dash. 7 into 1. How we can represent this on number line? We have to take 7 jumps. 7 jumps. How many steps? We have to take 1 step. 7 jumps, 1 step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jump. One step. For each step we have to take one jump. Correct? So that will be your 7 ones are 7. Correct? 7 ones are 7. The next main, fill in the blanks. Next main is fill in the blanks. First main is by counting in twos. Before going to this, again I am remembering you. You have to complete this exercise 4.2 first main. Exercise 4.2 first main. Complete it in your textbook itself. Now come to exercise 4.2 only second main. Second main by counting in twos. By counting in twos. See first one we have 4, 6 dash dash dash. Next second one 10, 12, 14 dash dash dash. 3 dashes are given here. No, here see 4, 6 counting in twos. We have to count 2 steps. 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward you have to count here. 4 after 5, 6. 2 you have to count. Correct? Again 6 after 2 steps you have to count. 7, 8. So here 8. Again 8 after 9, 10. Correct? So here 10. 10 after again 2 steps. 10 after 11, 12. So here 12. Now next. Again in this number here 10, 12, 14. 10, 12, 14 is given now. So count in twos. Count in twos. 2 steps we have to jump now. Here 10 after 11, 12. Correct? 12 after 13, 14. Next 14 after how much here? 14 after 15, 16. 16 after 17, 18. Counting 2. 18 after 19, 20. Correct? So here 20. So in this way you have to count in twos. Now next we can go through B question here. What is given in B question? Say B question is count in threes. Count in threes. You have to count three steps. Or you can use three table also. 3, 6, 9, 12 is given by here. So in that way you can continue. Count in threes. Now next C question. I'll take C question. Count in fours. By counting in fours. So that is 4, 8, 12, next here 20, 24, 28, dash is given. So here say 4, 8, 12 is given. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to count 4. 8 you got. Now again take 4. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 you got. After 12 again count 4. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? Again 16 you keep in mind. Count 4. 17, 18, 19, 20. Correct? 20 you keep in mind. Count 4. 20 after 21, 22, 23, 24. Here 24. Now next. In this question you see 20, 24, 28 is given. No? 20, 24, 28 is given. 20 after you have to count 4. 20 after if you count 4, how much you will get? 24. Again 24 after you have to count 4, how much you will get? 28. Again 28 after you have to count 4. Count 4 after 28. 4 you hold in your hand and count. 28 after 29, 30, 31, 32. Correct? Here it is 32. Now next again you take in your hand 4 and count 4. 32 after 33, 34, 35, 36. Correct? Again 36 after you count 4. 36 after 37, 38, 39, 40. So in this way you have to count how much number is given. So count forward to that number. Here say D and E question. C question I have written here. D question. Counting in fives. You have to count 5 steps forward. Counting 5. Okay. Now next. Counting in tens. Counting in tens means you have to count 10 steps forward. Here it is given say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 like that. You have to count 10 steps forward. Next second question 50, 60, 70 is given. After 70, if you count 10 steps forward, how much you will get? 80. 80 after 90. Like that you have to count. Okay. So, with this we have completed this exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 is completed. See here again in your textbook it is given multiplication tables from 1 to 10 is given. Now I have told you before starting this chapter everyone must write tables in your classwork. Okay, that is 0 to 15. 0 to 15 you have to write compulsory. Everyone must know tables. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask in evening class. Everyone must complete the notes and textbook. Okay, thank you.